Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to use Blue Willow in converting your images into animated one. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and let's get right into it. For us to start creating these images, first thing that you can do is go to your Discord account and open your Blue Willow server where you can start creating your images here. But if you haven't created any Blue Willow account yet, you can simply go to your web browser and go to bluewillow.com and you can join there on beta. Here you just click on join the free beta and then you will be able to start creating your own images. So here's how it works. You can just join the beta, join Discord, and you can start creating your AI images here. And then from here, what you can do is that before you join the Discord, you can actually browse into the Blue Willow website where you can actually look into the works and the other prompts as well being used. And once you have created your account, you can simply go to your Discord account and go to Blue Willow server and you can simply start creating your own images. But the thing here is that you can actually add the Blue Willow bot into your own server so that you don't have to compete with the other users as well when you are trying to generate one, and so that your images won't be buried by theirs as well. So once you've added Blue Willow bot into your server, you can actually create the image generating prompt here into your own server. So what you can do is just simply type in / image imagine prompt and then type in the image that you want to generate. So the first thing that we will do here is that we will create a realistic image first before we will transform that into an animated one. So what we can do is first is to create a prompt describing the image that you are trying to generate. So here, beautiful man with blue eyes in the 20s, studio lighting, and then wait for it to load up. Now, once fully loaded, it will provide you 4 different images where you can simply upscale the image if you have liked one of these images, or you can also modify or create variations as well with the V option. So here, for example, this image that we have, you can actually open this on your browser and save that image into your end. And what you can do here is just upload the image that you have. And once you have uploaded the image, what you can do is copy the message link, and then later on we will be using that to create an image in an animated style. So what you can do here is that simply put in the imagine prompt and then type or paste the link and then type in e.g in animated style. But if ever it encounters you this error when generating an image, no worries, you can actually, an alternative here is that just copy the original prompt that you have and then you just indicate at the bottom part that you want the image in animated style. So you can, if it does not compared or it's very far from similar to the original image that we are trying to go for, you can actually add more description into the image. So for example, what hairstyle the image would be, what the person is wearing, you can actually incorporate those words or phrases so that you will be able to achieve the image that you're trying for. And as you can see, once you have placed there the word the animated style, you will be able to generate image that are animated. It could be digitalized or it could be manga-like, depending on how the Blue Willow bot generated that for you. So Here with Blue Willow Bot, it's not very accurate when in terms of creating or generating the image for you, especially since this is for free. But no worries, you can just do trial and error, and once you've reached the image that you are looking for, that's you can definitely be able to use that as well. So here you have these images. You can also incorporate as well on what skin tone the image would be, or what nationality would that be, so that it would be more specific. So the more specific your prompts is, the closer you will get to the image that you are looking for. So here you can see that it's quite animated. This is the third image that was generated here. It's very similar to the structure of the image that we downloaded earlier, but it's just that it's wearing a hat. So we just need to keep on generating the images here until we are able to reach our image that we are looking for. So you can actually incorporate details like short hair. You can incorporate as well whether it's animated or cartoon style. Here I also added a drawing, but since the drawing here provides me a long-haired um, man, I actually will need to generate another prompt here where it has short hair, blue eyes, and wearing a shirt and a drawing style. Here you can see that the last image there that was generated is quite animated, which I liked. So you can just keep on trying to generate the images, and then by the end of the day you will be able to create an image that is animated. It's just that here in Blue Willow, you actually just need to do trial and error so that you will be able to find the image that you're looking for. This may take a while as well to load, and as you can see here, the second image is the animated style of the image that we are looking for. It's the closest image that was generated here using this platform to the first image that we had. The thing here is that that image is just wearing a t-shirt. So we can actually do a cartoon style as well with a prompt that we have. So you can just simply add a few details or remove details or phrases in the prompt, or you can even incorporate that. As you can see here, you can see that the second option from the last generated image is actually very similar to the first images that was generated as well. Like this here, like the businessman presents. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to use Blue Willow in converting your image into animated style. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.